The background you see in this video is not free. It was created with the help of free tools like Pixel, FreePix, Leonardo.ai, CapCut, and a mobile device. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to easily create unique background for your video content creation. These backgrounds are easy to achieve. You don't need any special experience to create this background. Before creating this background, the first thing you need to do is to shoot your video. Shoot the video you want to use in creating this background. These are some basic things to consider before shooting your video. First is the stability of your video. Your video needs to be stable. To achieve this, you use a tripod or you place your video in a stable position. The second thing to consider is the lighting. You need to shoot your video in a bright place. To achieve this, you can make use of a ring light, LED light, or you shoot your video with natural light by sitting close to your window. The third thing to consider is the background. Shoot your video in a plain background. This helps to easily remove the background when creating your unique background for your video. After shooting your video, edit it to your satisfaction and keep it aside. Before we continue, please do me the favor by liking this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, share, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you for supporting me. The next step in creating this background is to generate our images. To generate the images, we have free websites like Pixel, FreePix, Leonardo.ai. Pixel and FreePix have stock images where you can easily type and generate the images you want to use. And for this video, we'll be making use of Leonardo.ai. To use Leonardo.ai, you have to create an account with them if you don't have any. To generate images with the help of Leonardo.ai, go to your browser, type in Leonardo. After typing in Leonardo, it will bring you to their homepage. You can see create an account. You create an account if you don't have an account with them. So click on create an account and input all the necessary information they want. After inputting it, you create an account. It will bring you to this page. Click on image generation. After clicking on image generation, it will bring you to this page. As you can see, you are given 150 credit daily to easily generate images for free. So you input your prompt. Imputing your prompt, you input the prompt of the type of images you want. If you want a studio image, you type it in. If you want a cafe image, you type it in. Any type of images you have in mind to generate, to use in creating your unique background. As you can see from here, I've entered my prompt. I just need a simple image. Create a YouTube background of a white wall with a brown photo frame by the side. That is what I need. So I've imputed my prompt. And after imputing the prompt, click on setting. After clicking on setting, you scroll down where you see advanced control. Click on advanced control. Click on advanced control and click on 16:9. It will give you the exact size of images for YouTube standard. Then you go back. Click on generate. You can see this will use a token. Give it a few minutes to generate the images. You can see. Look at the background it gave me. So I'll go for this. You click here and you download it. You can see some of the images I downloaded earlier. After downloading the image you want, you now go to CapCut. Open the CapCut app on your phone and click on create. You start by uploading the background photo you want to use. This is it. After uploading it, you drag it. Make sure you drag it to the duration of your video. If your video is 2 minutes, you drag the background to 2 minutes. As you can see, this is where the duration is written. So you drag this background to the duration of your video. So my video is up to 2 minutes plus. After that, you go back and click on overlay. This is overlay. You go back and click on overlay. Add overlay. You click on videos. Then the video I want to add. This is the video I want to add. As you can see my previous video, it was done in a blue background, in a plain background. You click on add. After uploading your video, you click on remove background. After clicking on remove background, just click on auto remover. You wait for a few minutes for the background to be removed. You can see how easy it was for us to remove our background. This was because the initial video was shot in a plain background. That is why it's necessary for you to shoot your video in a plain background. It makes it easy for you to remove your background while creating the background of your choice. Now, I'll go back. I click on effects. You click on video effect. Click on lens. This is where I'll now click on blur to blur the background a bit. The background you see in this video is not. You adjust it. I don't want it too blurry, so I'll adjust it to my satisfaction. The background you see in this video is not 9. Let's say 9. 9. The background okay, 7 is okay. Is not. I love it here. So you drag the blur. After blurring it, you drag it to the full length of your video. This is the blur. The blur must start from the beginning of the video to the end of the video. Same thing applies to your video. So everything must start from the beginning to the end. So this is the video we came up with. You can use the other image generation website I mentioned, like FreePix and Pixel. You can also use that to generate your image. Just type in YouTube thumbnail or YouTube background and you can easily generate your image from there. You can see how easy it was for us to create this unique background. You can also try different background of your choice. The background you see in this video, use any background of your choice in creating this background. See this background here, the background that I used here. You can see that it's not the actual standard for YouTube thumbnail. So when searching or when generating your background from Leonardo, Pixel or FreePix, make sure you generate the actual size for YouTube thumbnail. But for this video, I can easily drag this background to the edge. A quick reminder, please don't forget the vital things to consider before shooting your video. First, the stability of your video. Second, the lighting of your video. Third, the plain background. Lastly, the image size you generate to fit into any of the social media platform you want to use it for. After watching this video, you can see that it's very easy to create unique background for our videos. You don't need to be worried about what background to use in creating your video. And these steps are very easy to achieve, very easy to edit. I hope you enjoyed and learned from this video. Thank you for watching. Please do me the favor by liking this video, support me by subscribing to my channel, turn on your notification, share, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you for supporting me and thank you for watching. See you next time.